All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 44,000 miles. White with gray vinyl interior, AM, FM stereo system, power windows, power door locks. It's got backup camera. 44,000 miles this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Got a little dent there, no paint off, about 2 inches. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is over 7/32. Got a dent here, about 3 to 4 inches. The rest of the door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent from here to here. Let's see, 3, 6, about 6 to 7 inches. The rest looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire there is over 7/32. We have a dent right there. Can it be seen? Abso-freaking-lutely. Dent right there. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with 1 key fob combo. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Here's a nice shot of that dent right there. Boom. So that looks like. Jump into this vehicle so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Of course, you get your AM, FM stereo system. Get your AC controls right down below. You get backup camera. Pow. All right. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 760. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Up in the vehicle. Coming around, showed you this. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little dent there. About an inch or 2. This door. These doors look pretty good. Does have a little dent there. About 2 inches. They do swing out. Got a little button here. You click on it and it moves. Here's what your trunk space or cargo area looks like. Very nice. Looks pretty good. Seems a little dirty, but no big deal. Some scratches. Your wheel wells look pretty decent. Looks like they put something on top of here. As you can see, there to there. Might have been pretty heavy. Maybe a pallet. Who knows? Here's this door. Looks pretty good. Let's check out this door. Looks pretty nice as well. Panelings look good. Car looks good. Let me get my ladder. Go up on that roof. Let's check that out. Boom. Your roof looks good. I don't see anything, dents, anything up there. Looks good. Very, very nice. All right, keeping it moving. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread is under 7/32. This door looks good. It does have some dents from the outside in. Still have a heavy scratch there, about 5 or 6 inches. Another dent here. It's about 3. What your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Front door looks pretty good. What is that? Just some dirt. Look good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel and tire thread. But this is over 7/32. Lights are on. Car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 44,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.